You make a prick, get the link. Fuck your girl inna the kitchen, wash me dick inna the sink.
He did it. He really did it. He did not just do that, right? I didn't see that, right? He wash it in your sink.
Hey, Stacy. Stacy, where you there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with bees and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy your mouth. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with bees and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team
Boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in with people with another video for you guys. Now right now we have Kranium, Girl Policy, official music video. You say it's like come out for 1 year now. But I think about it in the dark. That guy's like come out a long time now, you know. And the video just a drop in the dark. You think you still want to see the video? We don't know. I can see what I go and do. Girl Policy. Remember in the dark. Some boy don't know nothing about girl in the dark. And they may say, I try to say, yo, not even me either. So I think more learn something from the video. You hear me? You hear me I say? So please, Mr. Kranium, teach me the girl policy. Please and thank you. Okay? Run through. Bumper. Me see like a trailer a while ago. So I get the past bus is in full effect if you don't never know because if them start get black, you don't know the chop already. So hold on there though. Me see some teas a while ago in the dark. But me not gonna talk about them. Me see a girl I ride that. Oh. Yeah. Starring that.
Yo, what is this? Are you serious right now? What you
Yeah, hold on there. Breasts. Boobs. We are getting everything today, you know. Every little bumbuckle belt thing, you know, because you don't know. I'm telling you already, you know, we're not getting no black again, you know. So go on, you know.
check now? I can't believe this shit, boy.
Or, me can't read the bumbuckle belt, some of them fast enough. Sure. But with you say, what that girl that come from where I talk? Is a Trini girl that talk, yeah? Yeah. Go on.
Are you serious right now? Don't violate me.
Hey. Some boy not understand but hold on, pause. Some say basically my boy says about my want kiss him woman or kiss him wife. He did me I say, I go up on the streets, go work or something. He did me I try to kiss her and she nope, not today. I'm not having that today. That's what I tried. He did me I say, so I say where else I go on. We could say else I go on.
Seriously.
Hey.
Some boy on the life.
Yeah.
Boy, you have some girl I rather style for your wife or your yard.
Me there go back in and must say again. But I make him know some boy now no bumbo class style or no hype in the dog. You have a pretty sexy body wife for your yard. And you go fuck a little ugly something out the road, dog. You hear that? You must see that. Go on.
Them think them in a life.
Yeah.
Lucky she not stab her with a knife.
Some boy.
I fuck some ways.
You can't see it in her ear, you know, so she knows that that boy I get her born it so little waist get out the road in the dog. And she want to stab the boy with one knife, you know. But she say, you know what? She a fuck with Tyrekevlogs, so she not bother. And me I go over there when him gone to work at night time or at daytime. Go on.
Road. Half them a chase her around.
Yeah.
How the fuck you a fuck some dude? Then I walk up with it in a crowd.
More now show them the people. The lady, she talk to me in a dog like, look, alright. So on the right side of the screen, there's a little black thing right out of the white shirt right there. You understand me? I say, yeah, just look on the part there right there. And then look on the bottom right of the screen. There's a little black thing peeping and a little grey thing right there. You understand me? And say on the cheeks and the boobs and yeah, she try to talk to me now. Maybe I could say she try to talk to me, but it's alright. Go on.
Hey, no girl me fuck can't stand no drama. Me make me girl be that banana.
No star. Oh, so the wife attack us him. Or they eat that girl up on the street. No, I know. Well, I seen that check. So the wife that one day. And the one that the orange. I see him girl, but I know. Bumbo class, fuck it. Go on. But she try to talk to him. Look again. On the left side of the screen, there look something that people out. You see what I try to show? Alright, go on.
Baby miss, she know them policy. After 9 o'clock, she can't call me. After me no idiot.
I wish we could do them thing like that. You see, I go try it. I go try it with some girl. I go tell her, go say, yo. I'm gonna do it for one video. I tell you, see, you can't call me after 9 o'clock, okay? I'm gonna call her and I'm gonna say it to her. I'm see what she say. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for one video. Me, I'm gonna do that for one blood clot video. I make a video and call her, talk to her, so what's up, blah, blah, blah. When I go to post it, Bumbo Club, I generally you to get stay. Go on. Go on.
After me no eat again. She better know say after certain time don't contact me, yeah.
Finish up. Finish up. I want to go on. Oh, see, let me tell you, no. I Kranium Latin on the boy girl Latin. The boy gone the road in the dark. And the girl a big bad boy. Bad girl. Big bumper. Pretty cute face. I feel. Go on.
Me no know what them a think. Cheat your girl but she a go cheat as a blame.
I be a bumper teeth. Wala. I be a teeth. What you smile for? You're journalistic enough for your smile. You smile looking at the camera and you smile. No, dog. You feel give me some face expression, dog, like you just really bust off in our blood clean. Come on, man. Go on.
You make a prick, get the link. Fuck your girl inna the kitchen, wash me dick inna the sink.
He did it. He really did it. He did not just do that, right? I didn't see that, right? He wash it in your sink. Say, man, yeah? We're so in the go home, dog. We make sure you wash up everything in the kitchen before you cook any food or anything, because I might go over there and do it too. Just saying. So, if you don't trust a girl, and if you are giving out a road that you know, say a girl know, I don't know, so she know, but she will find out a woman slick, you can't stand there. Wash your sink first. If you know, say, you can feel the pain. I think a girl that try to talk to me, you know, look how she cock up her foot one side and show me her cheeks them. You think me not gonna look? You think she think me really not gonna look? She knows that I mean in reaction boss and pass boss in one right now. Don't ramp with me. Don't do it. Don't bum buckle belt do it. No, go on. Incoming call from who? Small dark husband. Small bumbo click. Guess what? Look at the husband name. Say dark and not dark. Look what she say about her husband name as in her phone. Them girl are bright. Yo. Them girl are wicked, them wicked. Yo! Them girl are wicked, them wicked. Them girl are wicked, them wicked. Go on.
Some boy on a life.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, some girl I rather style for your wife or your yard. Them things them in a life.
Lord. And then she just left here, him just left here too, you know, because of that she did when him go to work, you know, dog. And as he come out of the house, a bumbo like Kranium, she call over, you know, dog. And him know say him get bundle, dog, so him call her phone same type, you know, dog. And she declined the call, you know, dog. Them yellow wicked. They wicked. That's why I like call bumbo clot on my phone. I call him and then the bumbo clot answer. I say the bumbo clot here to answer blood clot. Man, they make a bumbo clot. They make what you had. You couldn't shit the blood clot answer the phone. You stand there. Go on.
She not stab me with a knife. And some boy, I fuck some ways, girl around.
Yeah.
Half them I chase her around.
So you feel you bad. God the man bumbo clot house in your Adidas and thing. All rose pan floor like a year yard. You see me like a year pum. You see me like a you married to the girl. Rose pan bed, rose pan floor. And take her shoes and dash your panty, everything like a year yard. You bright, eh? I feel man. Hold on, that's how we might talk to you. How that? I can't. I therapy them, God. Let's get the picture of the video. I therapy them really there. But guess how? How we judge a therapy? I bet say I be a buck like Kranium. More want to see how this.
Make me yeah, be that banana.
Ooh, hold on. The video, I know some the videographer and the editor know some me I looking now. You know some me I go react to that video, you know. That's how I go on. So today, you know, I go on like I know what reaction but I see what I go on. But it's alright. Go on. Yeah, do something with the man who man. You know I'm a scripture video because the video long enough already. So I go on like that so.
After a certain time don't contact me, yeah.
Oh,
no girl.
See there? So the man that left a go road and him a go the man yard. You do me? And then meet up with him a go in a man house, dog. I must have look at him like, I know where you from somewhere. Me and the bumbo clot terrible man. Yo!
Fuck yes, I no drama. Me make me girl be that for the corner. Baby miss, she know them bullets.
And he can't even say nothing. It's hot. That's rough, dog. And she has snap along with bumbo clot tongue. No. No, that not play. But dad, the man a ball. You think just like the blood clot, boyfriend not hanging. You know what? And the bumbo clot, yo, met him, I watch his blood clot. People big up for yourself. You be the boy Tyrekevlogs, AK boss. Soon in our next video, I go no much video today. When they know in the sea. Peace.